welcome to another video from Darren Nicky, Hornby GWR. This time we're looking at another Thomas and Friends range by Hornby, and this one is duck, as you can see, and so this is the other side of the box. You can see there's Duck, Toby, Percy, Thomas, James we looked at, and Gordon. Don't have those two, so basically that's that side. See, it was made in Margate, Kent, in the UK. That's where the Hornby shop is. Good place to go to. 12 volt means analog control, and this was made in China. So basically we're going to get Duck out and off his box, couple him up to the breakdown train. If you got Thomas already and you've got the breakdown train, you can couple Thomas up and use Thomas as the breakdown train, as one Reverend Audrey's stories. So, further ado, let's get Duck out of the box and see what. So, we've got just a bit of paperwork. Tells you about Duck's motor. I'll just turn it onto the side so you can read that. How to take the body off. How to move the motor, the chassis, the same as the diesel locomotives, and where to oil the loco. And then this is the back of the instructions, as you can see. So let's get Duck out of the box. Put Duck there. I think get a little accessory pack with Duck. You get 2 vacuum brake pipes, a lamp thingamajig, a lamp and the disc. So, yep, that's good. It doesn't like the white polystyrene or anything, so I'm just going to remove that. It's off the way. And see if it will now focus again on Duck. Here he is. He's in GWR. What it stands for, Great Western Railway. That's where you can put the vacuum brake pipes if the thing wants to refocus. There you go. You can see ribbits around the front, smiling face. Is that 060 tank engine? Again in the back, fake coal load. I think metal whistles there. Side detail, very nice, but plastic chimney, but rivets. Is number 8. You can see the detail there. Basically that's it. So further ado, let's get Duck onto the track and using the radio control that you saw me use unboxing. Let's get it out by extending it. I'll hit the sound button and you'll hear some chuffing sounds, and then you'll see what happens. And as it's plugged in now, I will show you what it sounds like. So that's what the sound sounds like. So now we're going to get Duck onto the track and get him to couple up to the brake van there. That's where I put the controller for a moment. So yep, Duck's on the track. I'll just get the controller. And hopefully, if I just give him a bit of a wiggle, because I have to lubricate him sometimes. I'll be back when I sort out this out. Right, as you probably saw, Duck was just moving a few minutes ago. I just have to give him a bit tweaks because he hasn't been running for quite a bit of time. So he needs a bit of a oiling up. So there's the breakdown train, and there goes Duck. Get a bit of close up as he comes past. So all I could say is thank you to watch this review. Please subscribe to my channel. Please click like and please leave your comments below. Thank you. Right, guys. Before you watch another video of Darren Hickey Hornby GWR, there's 3 steps you need to do. Step 1 is hitting the subscribe button. As you've done that, step 2, hit that alarm bell there. Step 3, hit the like button. And you'll get notification on when the next video is due for my next videos.